Did you love that book? I thought it was a really good one. So you have this paper that you can actually print off if you can do it at home, and you can cut out the buttons. If you don't, that's okay. We're going to work on it together here. So first thing we need to do is read the directions. This is called sorting buttons. Directions. Number 1, sort the button cards into 2 or more groups and glue your groups on the back of this paper. Now we're not going to glue, but you can absolutely do this and glue them at home. Number 2 says describe each group and how you sorted them. Okay, so we're going to move our directions a little smaller up here so that we have space to sort our buttons. Now, I've got all kinds of buttons. I want you to take a look and tell me what you see first. I'll tell you what I see. I see buttons that are different shapes and colors. I see smaller buttons and bigger buttons. I see that all of these buttons have these little holes in them. Those holes are so that you can sew the buttons onto things. But some of them have 2 holes and 4 holes. How could I sort these buttons? The first thing I think of is to sort them by color. So let's see. I could put colored buttons over here and black and white buttons over here. Did I sort them? How did I sort them? By color. Absolutely. How could I sort them now? I know. Big buttons and little buttons. So I could sort them by size. Good. I'm going to put the big ones at the top. So I'm sorting by size. Big, little. What could you sort at home by size? I'm going to say these are all big, and these are itty bitty little buttons. Okay, so I've sorted by size. How could I sort these again? Throw away my trash. Ooh, I know. The number of holes they have. Well, let's see. This one has 2 holes, 2. Remember, I'm looking at the holes in the middle. See those little holes? 2 holes, 2, 2, 2, 2. These all have 4 holes in the middle. Great. How else could I sort them? Shape. Let's see, I have a lot of circle buttons. I'm gonna put all my circle buttons up here. Now let's see, I have some square buttons. I'm gonna put those down here. And I have a triangle button, only one. And then over here, I'm gonna call this group kind of a special group, special shapes, because I've got a heart and a star and a flower. So how many groups did I sort these into? 4, yeah, 4 groups. So I sorted by shape, and there's 4 groups of shapes, and that's okay. I've got my circles, my special shapes, my squares, and my triangles. Good. Let's see. How else do you think I could sort them? Pause the video and think. Okay, did you think of a way? I've got a little trick for you. I actually sorted these 2 ways. So let me explain. Up here in this group, I have what? What's in common about these buttons? They're all big, and they all have 4 circles in them, 4 holes. What about this group? They all have 4 holes, but they're all small. Exactly. These are both small, but they only have 2 holes. These are all big, and they have 2 holes. So I sorted them 2 types of way. Big with 2 holes. Small, oh, not 2 holes. What are you doing, Miss V? Those have 4 holes. Sometimes you get confused, that's okay. These are small. Yeah, my writing on the computer is a little tricky. That's okay. But these have 4 holes. These are big, right? But what's different about them? They're not the same as these. They have 2 holes. Good. And these are small. And they have 2 holes. Think of all the things you could sort. Oh my goodness, I know there are things in your house you could sort. And guess what? You come back tomorrow, we're gonna keep sorting some more. I'll see you then.